In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a zoom in on hover interaction in Webflow. This is a great technique to add a bit of flair and dynamism to your website, making your images pop as users hover over them. It's a simple yet impactful effect that enhances user engagement. To get started first, head over to the Webflow editor. This is where you'll be able to control and customize your website design and interactions. Once you're there, locate the Interactions panel. This panel is critical since it houses all the possible animations and behaviors you can apply to your website elements. Now, with the Interactions panel open, you'll want to select Element Trigger, and from the available options, choose Mouse Hover. This step is essentially telling Webflow that you want something to happen when a user hovers over a certain element on your page. After setting the trigger, you'll need to select an action. To do this, click on Select an Action, and then proceed with Start an Animation. This will open up further settings and options for you to refine your animation effect. Within this section, you'll need to adjust the settings to match your desired outcome for the animation. Go ahead and give your interaction a meaningful name that will help you remember what it does. This is important for maintaining a clear and organized workflow, especially if you plan on implementing multiple interactions across your site. Next, it's time to set the variable value for the scale effect. Click on Scale and adjust as necessary. This scale transformation is what creates the zoom effect, so feel free to experiment until you achieve the desired level of zoom. Afterwards, navigate to your images in the Elements panel and click. Ensure to apply these changes specifically to your image elements to see the effect. At this point, it might be useful to test if the interaction is working as expected by previewing it. The subsequent step is crucial. You'll click on Shadow 2 and then on Duplicate. This allows you to have a backup or a second layer for more intricate effects if needed. Following this, adjust the settings accordingly to maintain consistency across your elements or create variations if desired. As you refine this, be sure to pay attention to the animation's easing function. Click on Linear, None, and switch to In-Out Quad. This adjustment will make the transition appear smoother, adding a professional touch to your effect. Once satisfied with the setup, click on Save to ensure all your changes are stored. Before moving forward, make sure to test the interaction to confirm that the hover zoom effect is being applied correctly and appears as you envisioned. Finally, to make your zoom effect live, you'll need to publish your updates. Click on Publish, then Publish to selected domains. This will make sure the changes are visible on your live site. After publishing, click Close to exit out of the publishing dialog. And there you have it, a simple but effective zoom in on hover effect on your Webflow site. Looking forward to seeing how this technique enhances your designs.